Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, September 25th. We have mostly a mixed, maybe a little bit better trend in the overnight trade, not much in the way of fresh fundamental news. Most of the trade action overnight looks to be coming from the technical side. Fundamentally, we still, in our mind, are still on a defensive trend in here fundamentally on the heels of us being in the infancy of a harvest here in the U.S. We are still hearing great yields for corn and beans, and so that continues to keep pressure to the market as it continues to add to an already well-supplied supply and demand tables and ending stocks both in the U.S. and for the world. But on the technical front and over the short term, and define that between now and Tuesday, we do have the end of the month, end of the quarter coming on up. We have a quarterly stocks report coming on up from the USDA on Tuesday, and we also have the index roll starting to do their rolling of positions out of November in the coming days. So on a technical front, we do see a little bit of the mechanics of the trade evening up positions, irregardless of what the fundamental storyline is. Later on this morning, we'll be getting our weekly sales coming on out. The trade is looking for somewhat supportive bean and wheat sales. We kind of got a little bit price competitive in the wheat market, and we also had the Chinese in on a buying mission, buying some large amount of beans on a frame contract. So the trade is maybe looking for a little bit of a pop in the market on those sales here when they come on out at 7:30. But as we mentioned, defensive trade is still somewhat on fundamentally to go and sell one's resistance, as we think going forward in here, the yields and the harvest progress and the weather, and most importantly, the supply and demand tables don't suggest any type of sustained rally once again above one's resistance areas at this time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.